The energy of Mumbai met the spirit of logistics excellence at the third edition of Cargo NXT Conference and Recognitions Western Region, held on 25th April 2025 at the Orchard Hotel, a landmark evening that brought together visionaries, pioneers, and changemakers under one roof, all to celebrate the future of logistics and the heroes shaping it. The Cargo NXT Recognitions ceremony was graced by eminent guests: Shri Nilank Kumar, IRS Commissioner of Customs, Mumbai; Shri Hardeep Batra, Commissioner of Customs, Air Cargo, Mumbai; Shri Deepak Shetty, IRS Secretary to the Government of India and Director General of Shipping. Their presence lit up the evening with a ribbon-cutting ceremony, setting the tone for a celebration of purpose, progress, and people. Now, let's rewind the applause and revisit the top Cargo NXT recognitions of the evening, starting from a legacy of leadership. Logistics Legend Hall of Fame R. Radha Krishnan, Chairman of Clearship Group, a towering figure in the industry. His journey reflects commitment, clarity, and an unwavering vision for Indian logistics.
I am deeply humbled, delighted, honored to receive this award. Thank you, Cargo Next, for recognizing, and thank you all the juries for finding something special in me to give this award. We all I got to thank, because when I was just getting out of my house, my wife told me, every time you are on the stage and you're receiving an award, you forget to thank me. I don't mind, but I want to just remind you. But it's always happens that we forget our better off because we take them for granted. We think they are supposed to be contributing whether we ask or not. But I thought today I should ensure that when I go home, I tell her I took your name. My dear wife, Rekha, I would like to thank her for all that I have achieved in my life.
Logistics Woman Leader of the Year, Philomena Parara, Managing Director, PV Agencies Freight Forwarders Private Limited. A symbol of strength and inspiration, she continues to break barriers and lead with passion and precision.
My deepest gratitude to Cargo Next for giving me this award. At this moment, I would like to mention a few people who have been through my journey. First of all, I thank God for being gracious to me and being with me in this journey. I also thank some of my colleagues, custom brokers. Of course, we have Mr. Radhakrishnan here, Mr. Shantanu here, Dushyant, Shankar Shinde, which is not there, and many others who truly supported me when I started this journey on my own. They've been very supportive.
Logistics Visionary of the Year, Dushyant Mulani, Director, Khimji Punja Freight Forwarders, Chairman, Triple FAI, President, BCBA. His leadership transcends companies. He drives policy, inspires progress, and envisions a united logistics ecosystem.
Logistics in this country is on upswing. You must have read the reports today. Just focus on this is the industry of first choice now. And the kind of first-time entrepreneurship and first-time employment it generates, let's be at it, friends. That's a lot to achieve in years to come. Thank you so much.
Logistics Luminary of the Year, Phase Contractor, Director, MCC Container Lines. With wisdom and innovation at his core, Phase Contractor continues to steer the industry into the future.
It is with immense pride and equal humility that I stand before this incredible gathering to receive this honor by Cargo NXT 2025. That sounds like a pretty big title for someone who still feels like a student every single day in this industry. Maybe that's the magic of logistics. It never lets you stop learning, growing, or dreaming. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, India is no longer a land of potential. We are a land of performance. The gaps that once held us back, they have now become gateways. We are on a cusp, the cusp of an era of exponential growth, and logistics is the backbone of that future. To my extended families at Triple FAI, BCBA, FIATA, and my own MCC, thank you. Your belief has been my anchor, and your encouragement my fuel. Thank you, Yogita and the Cargo Insights team, for your recognition and it's a pleasure to receive this award on behalf of the dignitaries. Thank you very much.
Young Cargo Professional of the Year, Aisha Kadgra, Head Corporate Strategy, Gina and Company. A dynamic force with strategic brilliance, Aisha represents the bright future of logistics leadership. These recognitions are more than just awards, they are a tribute to resilience, foresight, and the relentless drive to move India's trade ecosystem forward. Let's hear from one of our special guests, Shri Deepak Shetty.
This was my first exposure to Cargo Insights when I was invited by Yogita. So then I looked up the profile of this organization. I'm fairly sort of interested in the kind of work that you get to do, because this is at the heart of, looking at multimodal transportation. You're not just confining yourself to. So I think there is a lot of research. You bring out white papers. There's a lot of thought leadership that goes on. And of course, events such as this add value, where you bring under the fold, under the umbrella of one evening or an entire day, the industry stalwarts who come and deliberate on thematic issues which are extremely relevant and probably are going to, be, let's say, the prescription for what should be a better logistic and supply chain industry going forward.
We extend our heartfelt thanks to our partners and supporters whose belief in this platform made this celebration possible. The third edition of Cargo NXT Western Region may have concluded, but the energy, the connections, and the recognitions will continue to echo across the corridors of logistics. Till we meet again, let's keep driving a future-ready ecosystem together.